Hello, I am Helen. I am one half of the sporadically updated sewing blog fernthread.wordpress.com, and I am also the producer of Forgotten Threads, where we delve into the forgotten yarns of sewing and fashion history. And in this special Forgotten Threads video, I'm going to show you what a winter wardrobe might have looked like under rationing in Australia. So you can find me on Instagram. I am at Helen Fern Thread with an underscore between each word, or at forgotten_thread if you're just interested in fashion and sewing history. You can follow fernthread.wordpress.com for more both Forgotten Threads content and Fern Thread content, and you can listen to the Forgotten Threads podcast on Spotify as well. So if you listen to the latest Forgotten Threads podcast, you would know all about rationing in Australia. But if not, I'm going to give you the briefest of brief introductions, but make sure that you check out that episode. So rationing was introduced in Australia in 1942, and it was introduced both to conserve resources for the army and military purposes, but also to conserve manpower, so that less people were spending less hours producing clothing for the civilian population. It also was aiming to level the playing field, so to speak, so all Australians had access to clothing to wear and buy. So each Australian was given 112 ration coupons per person per year, and these had to be used to buy both garments and textiles to create garments from. The ration coupons were also used alongside money, so you had to both pay for the garment with your money and also with your coupons. The Australian Rationing Commission produced a number of pamphlets and short films to explain rationing to civilians. These will be linked in the blog post below, and they will also be discussed further on the actual podcast episode. But on to the content. So today I shopped my wardrobe using guidelines written by the Rationing Commission in 1943 in a pamphlet that was titled "Get the Right Angle on Rationing." I used 56 coupons to create a winter wardrobe, so let's see what that involved. So item number one would be an unlined dress, 13 coupons, accompanied by stockings, so 4 coupons, a long sleeved cardigan, 7 coupons, and as it's getting cold, an unlined coat worth 16 coupons. This is just a short blazer, not a full coat. On to the next item, we have a skirt for 7 coupons, a little bit too full for the 1940s, but paired with a blouse with long sleeves for 7 coupons. And for a change of outfit, we can go on to a pair of long trousers for 9 coupons. We don't have a coat, not even an unlined coat, which would have cost 19 coupons, so I better hope that this cardigan's enough in the wet weather. So that doesn't even include, you might notice, a bra, which would be 2 coupons, a slip, 8 coupons, underwear, 4 coupons per pair, or ankle socks, which would be 2 coupons. So that was, well, not a lot of clothes for a full 6 months. Of course, women already had a wardrobe full of clothes, but as the war years dragged on, all of those clothes became worn and needed to be replaced. In the next podcast episode, I'll be discussing make, do and mend, a term which I'm sure you've heard before, but I'll be looking at the unique ways which Australian women did make, do and mend. I hope you found this short video interesting, and I hope you remember it next time that you're out shopping. Australians consume, and that is buy and throw away, 13 kilograms of textiles per person per year. We can all make more considered fashion choices, both in our sewing and in our ready-to-wear. So consider rationing your own spending and let me know how you're going to reduce that 13 kilograms in 2019. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy sewing!